words roam around your head. You briefly cogitate, you're not brain dead. In a heartbeat you ascend and repeat. You propagate and seal your fate. I call foul. Do you like our owl? Is it real? How do you feel? I feel fine. Tell them this is mine. You see the photo, they never lie. In true faith, reality defies. You can believe your own eyes. A picture paints 1,000 words. Your facts and vision together, you're tied. I call foul. Do you like our owl? Is it real? How do you feel? I feel fine. Tell them this is mine. You watch the video that can't be faked. It is not poetry in motion, but actions speak louder than words. Move to emotion, you show devotion, beliefs in unreality. Strike a chord. I call foul. Do you like our owl? Is it real? How do you feel? I feel fine. Tell them this is mine. Your fiction on our facts. In your head, reality is blurred. You have a reputation to preserve. Your followers, your dogma is assured. I call foul. Do you like our owl? Is it real? How do you feel? I feel fine. Tell them this is mine. I don't fake it, I make it. This dogma is mine. I feel fine. This dogma is mine. I feel fine. I feel fine. Do you? Do you?
The birds aren't real. You need to understand that. They're watching everything. You can't escape them.